So guys, there you have it. That's how you make Dominican French toast. Very delicious. I'm going to show you the end result. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip them. Make sure that the side is done. Very nice. Very nice. If you like, put a little bit more butter. Let it cook for about, I could say 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, depending how high you have it. Right now I'm cooking it at 200 degrees. So that should be fine, that should be good enough. If you're very hungry, you wanna increase it, then you could raise it up to the max, which is over here is 400 degrees. Yes, but I'm gonna put it in 300 because I'm really hungry. As you could see how browny they're coming out, how shiny they look. That's the cinnamon that got burned into the bread, including the egg, the vanilla, and the milk. This is gonna taste delicious, guys. Very simple stuff to do. I just finished cleaning the pan because now I'm gonna show you. I hope all you guys know how to do this. I'm gonna do some scrambled eggs. Two of my eggs, I'm gonna do 3 of them. So I'm gonna put some butter here. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hopefully you know how to do this. This is gonna go with my Dominican toast, or so-called French toast. There you have it, guys. That's how my eggs, my scrambled eggs are coming out. They look super good. Well cooked. A simple, healthy breakfast. I'm gonna enjoy it, guys. With my coffee. My coffee, I don't know if you saw it. So in a few minutes, look at a plate, nice plate. Look how the breakfast came out. This is the real final result. This is my Dominican toast, so-called French toast. That's the eggs, glass of orange juice, my coffee, and my maple syrup. They're gonna go on top of my Dominican toast or French toast. I'm gonna enjoy it, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. As you can see, guys, I didn't like it very much. I'll be honest with you, I didn't like it very much. It was not as tasteful as the one that I do before. I drink half of my coffee, half of my orange juice. Nah, just kidding, it was delicious.